My throat hurts so much and I feel like bad.
Mom, please come here. My head is very hot.
Oh no, Max, let me check your face. You are very warm. You have a fever.
I do not want to go to the clinic.
We must see the doctor so you get better. I am right here with you, my brave Kitten.
The doctor's office is strange, and I am too scared. It is too quiet here. I want to go back home. The tools look sharp and very
Scary. The doctor is nice. He will just check your body. Here is a tissue to wipe your nose.
Oh no, who is that big shadow?
Look, Max, it is time for your checkup.
Hello there. I am here to help you feel good.
What is that long tube around your neck? Please do not use that on me.
It is. Okay, this is just my stethoscope. It helps me listen to your heart. Huh? Do you want to hear how it sounds? Listen, it goes thump thump very strong.
Thump thump, it sounds like a pran. Oh,
Put these on and listen to your mom.
wow, Mom, your heart is beating fast. That is not a scary tool at all.
Now let me listen to how you. Deep breath in and let it out.
I am a very brave kitten. Today,
Yes, you are doing a great job.
Now let us play a little game. Open your mouth wide and say two. Sing. Ah.
look at my sharp teeth.
Your throat is red. You need some rest. Let me see if there are bugs in your ears.
No bugs, only clean fur and there.
I am checking your neck. Does it be hurt?
No, it feels okay right now.
All done. You are a very healthy boy. The doctor has a surprise for Max. Because you were brave, here is a sticker.
Look, Mom, I am not scared Cal anymore.
They leave the clinic and go back.
I like my shiny new star, Tarlal. Sticker. The doctor is my friend, not a baggy monster.
I am very proud of you, my sweet boy. Drink this medicine to heal your pie throat.
tastes like sweet berry tea. Juice. The medicine makes him feel very calm. Sleepy.
Time to close your eyes and rest. This will help your hot head feel cool.
Thank you, Mom. I feel safe. Now, I will be healthy again very soon.
Going to the clinic is not bad at all.
Sleep tight and have sweet dreams. Good night, Mom. I love you.
His fever will break by the morning. I love you too, my brave little cat. And that is the end of the story.